If you want to make consistent sales, you need to create a sales funnels, otherwise you will hardly make any money online. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain what is a sales funnels, why do you need one, and I will tell you what software I personally use to build my sales funnels. Also, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for more videos on how to build a successful online business. Okay, so first, what is a sales funnel? Well, I would say that a sales funnel is a series of steps that a customer has to go through before making any kind of action. Let me show you what I mean. You can see here that there are 4 basic sales funnel stages: awareness, interest, desire, and action. People enter the sales funnels at the top, and as they go down through the funnel, they learn more about you, your company, your product or service. And usually, the main goal of a sales funnel is to convert a lead into a buying customer. In the awareness stage, visitors find out about your existing solution, product or service. They might also become aware of the problems that they need to solve and the possible ways to deal with them. In the interest stage, they are actively looking for solutions to their problems and ways to achieve their goals. Then in the desire stage, they desire your offer and want to take advantage of it. And finally, in the action stage, the prospect is becoming a customer by purchasing your offer. Okay, so the next question is, why use a sales funnel? Well, the answer to that is simply because they perform better than normal websites. Studies have shown that by using a sales funnel, more people end up buying the product than when using normal websites. That's because people who come to a website can go to multiple places such as pages, posts, and oftentimes they get distracted with multiple possibilities. While on a funnel, they can only go in one direction linearly from one point of entry through a sequence of actions leading to a specific goal, and that produces better results and more sales. Now, how do the sales funnel work in practice? Basically, a customer has to go through a series of simple web pages. Let me show you an example. Now, this is a basic sales funnel. So first, you need traffic. These are the people who are browsing the web. There is paid traffic and free traffic. Paid traffic can be from either Facebook ads, Google ads, or you can pay some other sites that offer paid advertising. Free traffic can be from social media, YouTube, Quora, or from a blog. Next, you need to drive that traffic to a link that will lead them to your landing page. A landing page, by definition, is the first page you land on after clicking a link. Usually, the main goal of a landing page is to collect email addresses, and in order for visitors to subscribe to your email list, you need to have an opt-in form on your landing page. When visitors have entered their personal information, they will get on a thank you page, and you get a new lead. A lead is a person who subscribed to your email list. On the thank you page, you are going to say something like "Thank you for subscribing," and usually there is some call to action. You can invite your visitors to join your Facebook group, follow you on your social media, or you can give your visitors an offer and lead them to a sales page where they can buy a product or service that you are promoting. If visitors decide to buy a product while going through the buying process, you can try to sell them more and try to convince them to buy another product. Basically, you're upselling them to buy more products. But the thing is, 95% of visitors won't buy the product at first sight, and that's why we collect visitors' emails so we can send them an automated series of emails and try to convince them to buy the product. Of course, you have to do it in a way that doesn't spam your audience. If you're interested, you can watch my video where I explained how a basic email marketing system works. The link will be in the top right corner of your desktop. Now let me show you one of my sales funnels. Let's go on my video where I explain what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. If you watch the video, you will notice that at the end of the video I did a call to action. I suggested to my audience to download my ebook on affiliate marketing. When I first started, it took me quite a while to figure out how everything works and to see some results. And that's why I've decided to make this ebook that I wish I had when I first started, because it would have saved me a lot of time, money and frustration. Now, if you scroll down in the description, you will see that I have put a link to download my ebook. When you click the link, you will get on my landing page, or we can call it a capture page, because the only purpose of this page is to capture people's names and email addresses. To download the free ebook, you need to click on this red button, and then it will open this pop-up box where you need to enter your name and email address. When you have done that, click on yes, give me the free ebook, and then it will take you to a thank you page. You can see here, congratulations, your ebook is waiting for you in your inbox. So basically, you will receive an automated email from me with a link to download my free ebook. Also, on this thank you page, I did another call to action. So if my page visitors is looking for a mentor and one-on-one coaching to speed up the learning process, I invite him to join the 15-day online business builder challenge. He just needs to click on this button and it will take him to my mentor's sales page. So this is a sales page. Here you can watch the video from my mentor Dave Sharp. His Business Builder Challenge is a series of lessons over 15 days that teach the fundamental concepts of building an online business. If someone wants to start the challenge, they just have to click Get Started. Here they need to enter their personal information and purchase this for only $7. But the sales funnels doesn't end here, because as they go through the challenge, they will be offered a few more offers. Now, if you go back to the scheme, you can see that these are the exact elements that my sales funnel has. When we click to the link, we go to the landing page with an opt-in form. Then we get to the thank you page, and from there to the sales page. And if we had gone even further, we would have seen the upsells. Okay, so I showed you how my sales funnels works in practice, but how do you build one? Well, in my opinion, it is best to use funnel building software. I personally use ClickFunnels. It has a simple design, very easy to navigate. It is a very powerful tool if used correctly. If you can afford it, I would definitely recommend it. I will put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. You should now understand the importance of having a sales funnel when selling products online. Tell me in the comment section below about what product you want to build a sales funnel, and maybe I can give you some tips about how to set up your funnel for your specific product. If you like this video, hit that like button, it really helps with the algorithm. Also subscribe and turn on all notifications by clicking on the bell icon to never miss a single video on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see ya in the next video.